All right, kids, don't try this at home. All right, throw it, Caleb. We're gonna get it this time. Oh, look, he got it. First try, right?
First try.
First try, got it right in. Is this thing recording? Yep. Well, it's been a while since I've posted a video, but I'm back in America now, hanging out with friends and family. And I want to introduce you guys to a friend of mine. And today we're gonna be making knives.
How's it going? I'm Caleb Ledford, owner, well, I guess you could say owner, whoever, of Ledford Works. So
All right.
Yeah.
He's gonna show us around today. I'm gonna try to not get in his way. You know, it's funny, I always remember this thing from Cartoon Network.
Yeah.
Wile E. Coyote,
Mm-hmm.
when they would drop it on him.
We'll get the full...
I'm getting Caleb to... We're just looking at the mountains real fast. Caleb's gonna give us a tour of his nice workshop right here. Came here like 3 years ago and it was just a little shed, and now he's big time. This is gonna be Caleb's version of cribs.
That's right.
You got the
little office-y area.
office and fridge, necessity right there, and coffee.
Necessity. Sorry. We got the main building. All the fun stuff.
I feel like I can't touch something or else I'll break it. And then of course you got a recliner.
For all your napping essentials.
And then, is this where all the magic happens?
That's where all the magic happens.
Yeah, this is all that was here when I came. This little shed.
So today we're going to start with a railroad spike knife, such as such, and then we'll turn it into this.
Let's look at that real fast. Can it kill a man?
Yeah.
This is like a finished product.
Sure. Yeah, well.
So we're gonna heat it up first. And I saw this on my way in. They do some serious barbecue in here with this propane.
Gotta have a lot.
That thing is huge. And that's what we're gonna use to heat up this metal for first thing. It's about to get lit. Literally. Whoa.
Got it. Nice and toasted. 110.
Blue.
And basically, it's all run off the air from this air compressor, and it does what I can do, and it cuts time down to like a third. So more than half.
You must have gotten that for steel.
It's made of steel, but it was no steel.
It's just a terrible pun.
Yeah.
We're waiting right now for the knife, and what do we hear in the? What is that?
Alpacas, and they're coming for us.
They're just behind these bushes, an alpaca farm, and it sounds like they're fighting. I've never heard anything like that before. I thought it was like a pig or something.
It's freaky.
Do they make that noise at night?
They make it all the time.
See if we can find them.
Yeah, they're in the barn right there. Little, you see them?
Yeah, there they are. Making their noise. So Caleb, how long have you been doing this?
Probably 3-4 years.
Yeah?
Or so.
And what got you into it?
So my grandpa, he used to really enjoy doing like carpentry work.
Yeah?
And then I went over to the John C. Campbell Folk School, basically just like a craft kind of school deal. And they had blacksmithing courses there. And so I just got to take blacksmithing, which led from blacksmithing to YouTube, and a whole lot of YouTube to anvils, and from anvils to forges, forges to propane forges, power hammers, grinders.
He's got the whole...
And cuts and burns. The whole shenanigan.
Yeah, and so do you, you sell a lot of these knives now, right? You go to knife shows and everything?
Yeah, I go to a lot of arts and craft shows, mostly fall festivals, because I kind of tend to do more what I fit to. And then custom orders, I always do custom orders, always open for that, always taking them, always having them. So yeah, a lot of that.
That means go and buy knives from him. They're really good though. You'll get to see some of his finished stuff later. Alright. That's cool. What does the finished product look like?
About like this, plus or minus some.
That thing is so hot. I'm standing next to it right now, sweating. Okay, what time is it?
It's time to grind. This is it's called a Bader B3 belt grinder, but really it's just a massive this is just sandpaper, but extremely aggressive. Basically a nickname for it is rocks on paper, because that's how rough this paper is. So it's sandpaper, but removes metal ridiculously well.
It's gonna like smooth this out, right?
Yes.
I've seen this before on Breaking Bad.
Breaking Bad.
Are you making meth, Caleb?
You haven't seen the other show.
Alright, so we're done polishing, and this is our finished product for now. What else is left? We just gotta clean it up some, or is that it?
We got a heat treat, and then we're gonna go from 120 grit on up to 400 grit, and then to a Scotch-Brite belt, and it's done.
This is another knife he's been working on.
Well, it's not the prettiest one right now. It's actually had some use, what they're intended for. But this handle, it's burlap if you really get a good, nice look at it. And that's just one of the fun features of this one.
I like the leather.
That's right.
He even has his logo on it. Check it out. Legit.
It's awesome.
Well, check Caleb out on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Just Ledford Works. Ledford_Works.
All right, I'll put it in the description. But check out his knives. Give him some love, and maybe we'll get to make some more knife videos. Also, tell him to make a YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to convince him. We'll see if we can get him.
We'll get there one day, hopefully.
But that's all we got for our knife stuff today.
That's right.
But tune in next time, and we'll see what else we have. Peace. Over here, look. We got a cow. Hey, guy. And some wild turkey. Hello.